Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the assembly and removing the old cog now. Use a suitable wrench and hold the hub steady. Once done, break the thread locker gently with slow, steady force to avoid stripping. Clean the threads with a brush and solvent so new parts seat correctly. Make sure to note thread direction and cog orientation. If you skip that, reassembly will be misaligned. You'll already be past setup and ready to inspect the mating surfaces for wear before installing the replacement. Next, you assess thread condition and prepare the new cog for installation. If you see burrs or damaged threads, chase them with the correct size tap. This restores alignment and prevents future stripping. Once threads are clean, apply a thin, appropriate layer of thread locker or anti-seize. Choose based on service needs, so the part won't loosen but remains removable. Hand thread the cog fully to confirm correct engagement and don't force it. Once hand tight, you'll be ready to torque to spec in the final step. Finally, you torque the cog to the specified value using a calibrated torque wrench, following any sequence for stacked cogs so loads distribute evenly. Once torqued, spin the assembly under a light load and listen for noise or feel for wobble. This confirms correct seating. If anything clicks, skips, or runs rough, stop. Reinspect thread engagement and mating surfaces, remove and clean, and if threads are compromised, replace the hub nut or cog. A single troubleshooting step, re-tap and reseat, usually fixes alignment problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.